is the justice system serving justice? That's the bottom line, is we don't want people to be in prison if they shouldn't be.
That's the question attorneys, judges, advocates, and now 5 state lawmakers are asking. Is an innocent woman sitting in jail? We've been following the case of Rosa Jimenez, who after 17 years behind bars could get a new trial or even be released. In Austin in 2003, Jimenez was babysitting her neighbor's little boy when he choked to death on a wad of paper towels. Prosecutors argued Jimenez must have intentionally forced them down the boy's throat. And based on the experts and evidence presented at the time, the jury agreed, convicting her of murder. Jimenez maintains it was a tragic accident, and now the Innocence Project says it has new medical experts more qualified to testify on pediatric choking. Jimenez was supposed to learn next week if she'd get a retrial or be released, but an appeals court has delayed that deadline as they consider the case's future. But timing is critical because Jimenez has been diagnosed with stage 4 kidney failure. Her attorneys say she needs a life-saving transplant, which is more challenging to get as an inmate. In the letter state lawmakers sent to the Travis County DA, they say that health concern could turn her life sentence into a death sentence if nothing is done. It's part of what investigator Avery Travis discussed in an exclusive interview with Jimenez in prison.
Nestled between a busy highway and a hillside sits a maximum security prison, the Mountain View unit in Gatesville, where Rosa Jimenez has made a life for herself.
I work and I try to distract myself.
But it's not her home.
My body is here, but my mind shouldn't be here. You know, like, I'm free, you know.
In the early 2000s, she came from Mexico City to Austin to work without documentation. But in a matter of months, everything changed.
Everything was too fast. And then the next thing I know, like, just taking me. Looking back, it just looked like a dream, like not even happened.
Her arrest, her conviction, all a blur. At just age 20, she spoke very little English and says the courtroom translations were spotty. Her lawyers had to explain the judge's 99-year sentence.
I didn't have nothing left. It was just me, myself, and nothing else. You don't have no more kids. You probably will never see them again.
Jimenez was pregnant when she was convicted, and she already had a 1-year-old daughter. She saw Brenda for the first time in years, just weeks before our interview.
You know, for 17 years, I've been dreaming how it will feel to touch my kids. You know, I have all these pictures in my head, like when she come in, I don't know, I have so many pictures in my head. But just to see her, to touch her, I can't even describe it. You know, when I see her, oh, I couldn't even recognize her.
It's her kids, her family back home, and her faith keeping her going. But some days,
this is it. I cannot do that no more. That's it. I'm tired. My kids are grown. My mom is old. I'm tired. I'm like literally tired.
How hard has that been, fighting to clear your name?
To me, a name is just a name. Okay? I just want to go home. That's all I want to do.
If released, Jimenez says she wants to return to Mexico City and be with her mother. She says if a new trial happens, it will be a much different experience since she's able to understand and speak English without a translator. Her case is going through the appeals process, but many are calling on the Travis County District Attorney to do something now. DA Margaret Moore says she's appointed a team to determine whether the case can and should be retried. She's also asked the county's Conviction Integrity Unit to review the case. She said it's the job of her office to make sure justice is served for the little boy who died and his family as well.
That child would be in college now. That family lost that baby. And a jury in Travis County, looking at all the facts, found this defendant guilty. But the ultimate question here is whether this little baby stuffed a wad of paper towels the size of a man's fist down his own throat or whether the defendant did it.
We reached out to the family, and as of now, they've declined to comment. Another complicated piece of this case is federal immigration authorities have a detainer on Jimenez. That means if released, even to come back to Travis County for a retrial, authorities must alert ICE, which could then deport her. However, her lawyers think that won't happen while she's in state custody. Thank you again for joining us for State of Texas. I'm Josh Hinkle. We'll be back next week to bring you an in-depth look at Texas politics.